Hello and welcome to another video. My name is Lewis from Olympus, and in this video I'm going to be showing you why the 12-45 Pro is the perfect match for the EM5 Mark III. Some of you may know that the EM5 Mark III was launched back in 2019, but it still does have some of the Pro flagship features, such as up to 6.5 stops of EV image stabilizer. It also has 121 autofocus points, which is brilliant for both video and photography. But how close can it focus? When you're at the 12mm end of the lens, you can get 12 centimeters away from your subject. If you want to get a bit more magnification, zoom into 45mm and simply pull back to 23 centimeters away. Perfect for anybody out and about wanting to take photographs on the walks of any insect, creatures or any close-up textiles and textures. The built-in 5.5 stops of image stabilizer will also work with video, so it means that when you're vlogging or walking around, you can do these really smooth panning shots without worrying about the camera being shaky. So if you don't need to use this for video, you can still use the 5.5 stops of image stabilizer built into the body for photography. So what that allows us to do is do a slower shutter speed, such as up to 2 seconds found in this photograph here that I'm going to show you on screen. It means you can get your long exposures without the need of a tripod, again minimising on your weight and size of the kit that you need to carry around with you. For those landscape photographers out there, you do have built-in high-res mode with this camera, so you're not just limited to the 20 megapixel shot anymore. It means you can take it out and about, stick it on a tripod, use the high-res mode and away you go. The lens itself has inherited the sharpness and quality and weather sealing from its bigger brother, the 12-40 2.8. So it is still weather sealed, it is still nice and sharp, but it is exactly a third of the weight lighter than the 12-40 itself. This means you don't have to worry about getting caught out in the rain. Now the EM5 Mark III is kitted with the 12-45mm Pro lens, it's now become one of the most compact systems you can buy on the market today. Thank you for joining, stay home, stay safe, and I'll see you on the next one.